Friends, myself Ashish Kumar Pandey, TGT English teacher of PG Senior Secondary School, Captain Ganj Kushinagar. Hope you all are well and good. Today, we read an autobiography of class 10th first flight book that is entitled Long Walk to Freedom, written by Nelson Mandela. Now, firstly, we know about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Rohilya Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the first black president elected in fully democratic elections. This is all about Nelson Mandela. Now, we come to know that the important character that is participated in the struggle against apartheid. Apartheid, what is the meaning of apartheid? Apartheid means discrimination that is based on the color. Now we come to know the character. First character is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was first black president of South Africa. He was imprisoned for 27 years. He was also known as South African Father of Nations. Second important character is Zenani. Zenani was the daughter of Nelson Mandela. And third important character is Mark de Klerk. Mark de Klerk was sworn in as the first deputy president of South Africa. Next important character is Oliver Tambo. He was prominent in the struggle against apartheid. These are the prominent names who struggle against apartheid. Now we know that what Nelson Mandela wants to say in his autobiography. The date, which date? The date 10th May 1994 will be written in golden script in the history of South Africa. On that day, Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa, and the country got the chance to be a part of world community after almost 80 years. 80 years. The ceremony was organized at a beautiful amphitheater. The name of the amphitheater is Union Building, Pretoria. This is the place where the inaugurations was held. Okay. Representatives from different countries attended it. Tambo Mbeki was sworn as the first vice president. When it was Nelson Mandela's turn, he sworns his loyalty towards the constitution. He devoted himself for the welfare of humanity. He discussed in his speech the past, the present and the future. He focused on an incredible human disaster which took place in South Africa. He pointed towards apartheid, a political system that discriminates among people according to their race. He promised that he would free his people from all discriminations. He said, never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. While remembering the history, he wrote that in the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the Anglo-Boer War, the white-skinned people of South Africa erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. According to him, if people are taught to hate others, they can be taught to love others. Also, every individual has two types of obligations. One is towards his own family and another is towards his community and nation. Nelson Mandela realizes that during the long walk to freedom, he had to leave behind his family. He remembers that his feelings from freedom were not inherited since childhood. As he grew old, he came to know that not only he but also the members of his family, his neighbors and his community were leased and not free. Then he started his struggle from freedom. This is all summary that Nelson Mandela said in his autobiography. He also gave a good message throughout his biography, that is the message of equality among mankind and the necessity of freedom for peoples. Okay, this is the full explanations of the autobiography Long Walk to Freedom written by Nelson Mandela. I hope all of you understand very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.